English. I am here to give you a little bit of message about the company and the beautiful people of Manarkad. Okay. I am very grateful. I am so happy to come for the first time to your town, Manarkad. And I see from lot of months, maybe more than a year, a lot of people here who started with a small purchase of a product. And then today they become diamonds. They become double diamonds to very long journey. So I thank all the Manarkad people and Manarkad achievers that you had done this with great faith in me, company, and then in the society. So I should salute all those achievers of Manarkad for having faith in the company. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 3 years old that NanoXcel has launched in the country. We were very small 3 years back. Step by step, the company grew. We started with only one product, but today we have more than 30 products. The most beautiful and the most pride and proud thing in NanoXcel is that the products of NanoXcel are exclusive, patented in the world. Nobody else can manufacture similar products. And the products are nanotechnology products, which means the future. The future, next generation, the whole of our life is going to run, is going to perform, is going to survive only with one technology, nanotechnology. And NanoXcel is the first company in the world promoting nanotechnology. So ladies and gentlemen, however I speak more about the product, you may not understand. I think you have seen the PowerPoint, wonderful presentation. You can meet the people who have invited you here, know more about the products, get good health, give good health to children, give good health to the family, and please see that everybody use a nanotechnology product so that one or the other day, the India will be free of bacteria and virus. It is true we are doing business with nanotechnology products because we want to give this product to every citizen of the country. If we don't do business, we cannot make the product reach to every citizen of the country. And that is the reason why we do business. And when doing business, NanoXcel is the very first company who thought about people who purchase the product and definitely get benefit. Network marketing is a wonderful industry. That is the next generation industry. It is an industry which is growing every day. But there are some bad companies, there are some bad people, there are some people who don't understand properly and they direct you to indirect things. That is the reason why NanoXcel thinks about benefit to everybody, which means NanoXcel, anybody join, anybody buy a product in NanoXcel, they should not be a loser in the company. That is the aim of the company. That is the vision of the company. Nobody should lose. Indeed, some or the other benefit, maybe a rupee, maybe 100 rupees, maybe 1,000 rupees, maybe a lakh, maybe a crore. You should benefit, but you will never lose. That is how the marketing plan is designed, and it is been trademarked as Club Binary marketing plan. Normally, any company in network marketing start new, they copy the plan, they duplicate the plan. But NanoXcel is a company which has invented the plan. It has invented a marketing plan. And today, I believe that there are more than 10 crorepathi's in NanoXcel in just 2 years. And now we started a race with all our top achievers to see that there are 1,000 crorepathi's in the next 1 year. Because when there are 1,000 crorepati's, there will be 10,000 lakpatis. There will be 100,000 hazarpatis. There will be 100,000 people who can see 500 notes. So this is the whole system. That is the reason why today is an auspicious day, ladies and gentlemen. Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhi Jayanti. Those days, Mahatma Gandhi started fighting for the freedom as a single person. Then he got his team. Then he and his team have gone around, struggled and educated everybody. Then the whole country, today we are happily living because of that team led by the leader, Mahatma Gandhi. And today, Nano Excel is proud that in 3 years' time, although we couldn't produce another Mahatma Gandhi, we are proud that we have produced our titanium diamond, Muhammad Ashraf, as Gandhi Puraskar, as Gandhi Puraskar in the state of Kerala. We are proud that we also could give a birth to a person who can be awarded as Gandhi Puraskar. This is the genuinity of Nano Excel business. Nano Excel business is not a finance business, is not an investment business. Nano Excel business is a family business, is a health and wealth business. Nano Excel business is a business for pride, prejudice, respect, behavior and love in the life. This is what the Nano Excel business is. That is the reason why we throw royalty to everybody who work, who don't work. But we are all one community. We share the money together. We all see that nobody lose anything, and that is how the marketing plan is designed. Anyway, thank you very much. There are more products going to come. Nano Excel is growing every day. It is because of the blessings of the people, especially my special thanks for people of Kerala. My special thanks today for people of Manarkad, achievers of Manarkad. Last but not least, leaders of Manarkad. Don't think that you have achieved. This is a day beginning. It is just a beginning. From now, you have to really focus to achieve more. The journey starts from today. You all have to dream to become a titanium diamond. All of you can take example of your great leader, Shabir. He was a taxi driver. 1 year back, he was a taxi driver. I went in his taxi. But today, he is giving life to many taxi drivers. That is the length of success he has achieved. He could achieve because he has a good heart, good mind. So anybody who has good heart, good mind, can become a rich man in this world. So please try to have a good heart, good mind, and see that everybody becomes leader. Everybody in this room, small, big, old, young, ladies, gentlemen, anybody can become a leader. You have that quality. You only have to bring out your leadership outside. You have to believe. You bring the leadership. One Mahatma Gandhi could change the country. Imagine all of us become Mahatma Gandhi. We can take India 1,000 times better than 1,000 years. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much. I thank the events manager, thanks the hall, thanks all.